Having very good question. Starting from the origin point, a person ran from origin point here, ran 6 kilometers to east, 6 kilometers for 45 minutes. Then he had rest over here in green, the rest in green for 10 minutes. Then he ran 10 kilometers to west for 1 hour. Find the following. Find the distance, find displacement, find average speed, find average velocity, convert all units to meters. I like this question. Why? Because they didn't give us meters, they give us kilometers. They don't give us seconds, they give us 45 minutes. And many of the students confuse, just they deal with 6 kilometers per minute, and it doesn't make sense. As we know, the international system deal with meters per second. So, uh, so let's do that here. First, let's find the total distance. Total distance. So let's assign this column for distance. So distance. So distance one, we're gonna convert distance one from 6 kilometers to meters. It's 6 times 1,000. 6 times 1,000 is 6,000. So 6,000 meters. Then the second distance, which is 0. He got rest over here. Rest. The second distance is 0. So 0 meters. Then we have the third distance. It's 10 kilometers to west. I know it's gonna be negative. East is positive and 10, and west is negative. But we're not talking now about displacement. We're talking about distance. So it's 10 kilometers, no matter direction. So 10 times 1,000 is 10,000. So it's 10,000 meters. If you want to find the total here, total distance, so distance, total distance, you add all of it. So it's 0.0061. It's 16,000 meters. The whole trip is 16,000 meters. Okay. So the first question, the first part of the question is 16,000 meters. Okay. Now, displacement. If you want to talk about displacement here, displacement means the final position. Where is the final position? It's in here, which is 4 units to 0. Or you could add 6 kilometer plus 0 is 6, then minus 10 is negative 4 kilometer. So it's 4 kilometer to west, which is 4,000 meters. 4,000 meters. So it will be negative 4,000 meters, or you could say 4,000 meters to west, or west. W, west. Okay. Now, let's find average speed. Average speed, we need to find the time for every part of the trip. So the first part was 6 kilometer east for 45 minutes. 45 minutes, 45 converted to seconds, you multiply by 60. Then it's going to be 2,700 seconds, or 2,700 seconds. So 2 is, we'll deal with the time here. time. So the first part of the trip, the time is 2700 or 2700 seconds. And the second part of the trip, you get rest or 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes relaxing. So 10 times 60 is 600. 600. 600 seconds. Then the last part of the trip, he ran to west direction for 10 kilometer in 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour means multiply times 6 to give us minutes, and then again times 6 to give us seconds. 1 times 60 times 60 equals 3600 seconds or 3600 seconds. Now we need to add the time. Add the time here 0, 0, 6,900 or 6,900 seconds. That's the time. Now it is easy now to get average speed. Average speed equals, we just divide 16,000, you divide it by 6,900. So 16,000 divided by 6,900. Enter. It gives us 2.3 meters per second. 2.3 meters per second. That's the average speed. And then you know that if you divide 6,000 by 2,700, it gives us the speed, first speed, second speed, third speed. But the average speed, a lot of students confuse and they add all speeds. That's not good. If you want to find average speed, you're going to add all distance, add all time, and then you divide it by, give us average speed, which is 2.3 meters. 2.3 meters per second. Let me find average velocity. Average velocity means the final position divided by the time, or displacement by the time. And the displacement over here, as we know, we agree, it's going to be 4,000 meters. You divide it by the total time. So 4,000, so you're going to divide 4,000. So average velocity equals displacement over time. Displacement, which is 4,000 west, or if you want to make it negative, it's negative 4,000 divided by, and that's meters per second, the total time, which is 6,900 seconds. Now we calculate that. So calculate 4,000 divided by 6,900 equals 0.579. Let's round it to 0.58. 0.58. It's 0.58 meters per second. This is the average velocity. Of course, you now you have time to fill out all missing info if they're looking for. You divide 6,000 by 2,700. So you're very quick to 6,000 divided by 2,700. give us about 2.2, and then 0 is 0, and 10,000 divided by 3,600 equals about 2.78, 2.78, and this is 0 meters per second. This question is done, and this is what I'm looking for, full information.